In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access invite-only scripts on Tradingview. Invite-only scripts are pine scripts that creators choose to keep private. You can view their listings, read descriptions, and see screenshots. But you won't be able to add them to a chart until the author grants you permission. Here is how to find them. Request access and get them to appear in your account. Start by locating the scripts. Head to the public library or browse the community scripts section in Tradingview. As you scroll, look for entries marked with a small lock icon. That lock tells you the script is invite-only. You can also use the search bar within community scripts to narrow down results by name or topic. When you open a scripts page, you'll usually find details on what it does, performance notes from the author, and sometimes instructions on how to request access, since you can't add an invite-only script directly to your chart. The next step is to contact the author and request access. Use the contact method available on the script page or the author's profile to reach out. Keep your message short and clear. Mention the exact name of the script, why you are interested, and that you are requesting permission on your Tradingview account. Polite, specific requests tend to get faster responses, but remember that access is entirely at the author's discretion. Some creators approve quickly. Others review requests periodically or may require additional context. Once the author grants permission, it's time to find the script in your account. Open any chart. Click on Indicators and look for the Invite-Only Scripts tab on the left-hand side of the Indicators window. That tab lists every invite-only script you've been approved to use. If you don't see it right away, make sure you are logged into the same Tradingview account that requested access and give the page a quick refresh to sync your permissions. If you still can't locate the script, here is an easy alternative. Go back to the Tradingview scripts page and search for the exact script name. Open its listing and confirm that it shows you have access. From there, you'll be able to proceed within the Indicators window. And that's it. Locate the script in the community scripts or public library. Request access directly from the author. And then, once approved, find it under the Invite-Only Scripts tab inside Indicators. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to use exclusive tools the right way.